Are you sure you don't want some help from Patrick Swayze? This was much more romantic in my head. Welcome to Night In, Night Out, the show where we compare a home-cooked tasty recipe to a night out at a fancy restaurant. Today we're going on not one but 2 dates, and then at the end we're each going to pick which one was the better date. Today's episode is pizza, so Ariel and I are gonna get cooking.
So we're making a veggie pizza, right?
Well, I was gonna make a meat pizza.
So we're going halvesies. I like spinach. A basil, maybe.
Yes.
Oh.
I'm Italian, half Italian. Italian sausage. Italian blend. But is it made from imported organic Italian tomatoes?
When you eating bacon?
No, it's not Italian. Prosciutto is one of my favorite things to put on a pizza. It's a fancy meat. It's $9.
Capers, maybe capers.
Maybe a little caper.
Wine?
Wine?
Oh no, that's olive oil.
Here's your olives.
Oh yeah, easy. They have special flour for pizza?
Well, it just says pizza on the all-purpose flour.
Oh, I
so
see.
We'll just get that. A little bit of a yeast. Active dry. That's the only type.
What?
I just like looking at the options.
Oh, no, I'm pretty sure this is it.
All right, we'll see you in the kitchen. We're not just making a stuffed crust pizza, we're making an entirely stuffed pizza. You're just going right into this yeast preparation.
Okay, yeah.
We got some yeasty water. It smells kind of yeasty.
Here we go. Making dough.
Oh my, why are you moving it far away from me? Oh yeah, oh that's good.
What do you want to do for the next hour? Now I can play with pizza.
Is it big?
Yeah, look at this.
Got a little flour there.
Flour.
Now we're gonna separate it into quarters. You ever do the LeBron aerial? Roll Tide, baby. Pizza facials have many beneficial properties.
Is that right?
Did I put the wrong spray in?
You know, it's done now.
And now we add the cheese. Go, 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 go. Oh no, 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 it broke. Oh, I have just the thing.
You do. Nice choice.
Thank you.
Okay,
It's a cocktail strainer, but today it's gonna make a fun outer crust.
It looks kind of like a ball sack.
You can't beat them, scrotum. A little olive oil, salt and pepper, and we bake it.
All right.
Let's put this bad boy in the oven. Okay.
Okay.
What if we made a tiny little pizza?
Let's
make a bean pizza. No food today, Bean. You're getting pizza. He's just going straight for the turkey.
He just wants the turkey.
He's like, I don't know about all this other stuff, you guys.
Oh
yeah.
How do you like your sauce? Do you like it heavy, light?
I like it kind of light. It's all about the ratios. Get over the line.
Go in that
Get
direction.
over the line. Okay, now we can put it back in. Finish it off.
I got it.
Oh, yes.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
We nailed it. I can't wait to cut into it and there'll be like cheese everywhere.
All right, you ready?
I'm ready. Do the honors.
That was very dangerous.
You're not that bad at cutting things. Middle cheese.
There's like a whole base layer of cheese here.
This is next
and then
level.
cheese here. Oh my god, this is so exciting.
That's really good.
My pepperoni is popping. A little spice to it.
My Kalamata olives were excellent idea.
I love that this is my pizza and that's your pizza.
I also
Because
like
this
that.
has all of my favorite things on it.
Me
and
too.
this has some like bullshit that I sometimes eat because I'm forced to.
What does it make you think of?
It makes me think of like, ha 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 ha, I'm like running through a field, but instead of wheat, it's all just cheese. Making the pizza was almost as fun as this is delicious. Well, it's gonna be tough to top this with anything other than cheese and pepperoni.
That was a quality dad joke.
I'm getting prepared. Are you ready for the fancy pizza?
I am ready for fancy pizza.
Let's get fancy.
My outfit's like good, but your outfit's like.
No, girl, please. No, your outfit is like.
Oh, you're so sweet.
We are now on our way to a fancy pizza restaurant.
We are now on our way. I'm sorry.
So we are now on our way to the fancy pizza restaurant. It's called Pizzana, and guess what? It's Italian.
I'm Daniele Rothe. We are at Pizzana in Brentwood, Los Angeles, and this is my first pizzeria in this beautiful city.
You're 100% Italian.
I am 100% Italian. Neapolitan, because I was born in Naples, so we have tomato sauce instead of blood. My family owns a bakery in Caserta, close to Naples, and I was like 13, 12, and I start to clean their oven, and then at the end of the night, I stretch a couple of pizzas, and then that's how I learned. Take one hand, play like little by little pizza started
Look at that, it's perfect.
My grandfather started a beautiful mother dough. It's called crescito, and I refresh it every day.
So the yeast strain has existed for 62 years.
It's a starter, so that's actually what makes this dough special. So we're gonna have a base with our beautiful fior di latte, our reduction of San Marzano, which is a sauce that we cook for 6 to 12 hours. We're gonna sprinkle a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano, and it's ready to go in the oven.
This is the oven that you imported from Italy.
Yeah, I put the first stone on this pizza oven.
Wow.
So
Cornerstone.
yeah, right?
Yeah.
So the material had come from the Mount Vesuvius, so this volcan stone that they preserved from the eruption that the Vesuvio had long time ago. It gives you the perfect baking process because a volcan stone takes the heat like nobody business. So
It's just a consistent crispiness.
yeah, because the temperature is always the same. My pizza is cooked a little bit longer. I want you guys to taste that we use a wood burning oven. When you bite to the crust, you know that crunch? I like that sound.
Oh, yeah.
Right, basil crumb, and that's the idea of my Neo Margherita. Let's make a brassica, which is fior di latte, broccolini, which we cook in the wood burning oven, and then pickled Calabrian shallots, and Sicilian pesto, which is a pesto made out of sun-dried tomato, walnuts, and Parmigiano. A uovo pizza, a lot of bacon jam underneath, some cherry tomato, prosciutto. At the end, we're gonna crack an egg on top.
Oh, yeah, that's sexy.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, look
Despite
at
the
this.
fact that we have already had pizza today,
I'm ready for my
starving.
second pizza. I can't wait to crack this egg. Oh,
Oh my
wow.
goodness. Now you're just playing with your food.
I am just playing with the egg now.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna.
Neo
pizza.
Margarita.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, that's good.
That's so good.
Oh my goodness.
In every bite, you get a little bit of tomato, a little bit of basil, and a lot of cheese.
It's very well balanced.
It's very
and
well balanced.
Look at this. Look at the scoring on the bottom.
Can you hear that crispy? Do you hear that crispy crust?
I do.
Seriously, one of the best crusts I've ever had.
And the dough is like a little sweet, a little sour.
It's just good bread. I'll do
Yes.
that one, you do this one.
Yes. Okay, Ariel is gonna try the brassica pizza with the broccolinis, and I will be trying the uovo. Wow, you ready?
Uh-huh.
Whoa. Whoa, whoa. That's it. I'm getting myself a handmade brick oven from Naples, putting it in my kitchen.
There are things on this table that you can't buy in a grocery store. You
Can't
can't.
even buy in America. It's like my
Nope.
tongue is just laying on a velvet carpet doing snow angels.
It's that care in your craft that I
Do you
think
think we
makes this
had-
a good pizza.
Did we have care in our craft?
No,
We had fun.
we always
I
have.
don't know if we had craftsmanship.
I feel like we should turn these cameras off so that I can properly stuff my face.
No.
Yeah.
Can we shut the cameras off? Ariel, it's time to pick a winner. What was the better date? The night in or the night out?
Night out.
Okay. But why?
Our pizza didn't even compare.
No.
We can't make that pizza at our house.
Mm-hmm.
We don't have a brick wood burning oven that burns at 700 degrees, 30 years of experience. This is why you go out for the most amazing pizza.
Even if they are costing $18 per pie.
I would pay $30 a pizza.
The night in was so fun. They had this like gorgeous stuffed cheesy crust.
And watching it rise.
Watching it rise was so fun. But the night out was also like the craftsmanship and the flavor combinations were amazing. I think my winner is the night out. The chef is more Italian than I am.
This Italian part will come out.
Leave us a comment. Which one would you choose, the night in or night out? And if you decide to make our pizza recipe, please post some photos.
And if you have a Neapolitan pizza oven in your house,
We want to know where you live.
Because we will come visit.
Well, happy date night, sweetie.
Happy date night. Love you.
Love you. Why don't you do it?
We're on our way to...
We're on our way to... Oh my god, you guys. I'm eating pizza. We're on our way. It's perfect though because it's our ball sack.
Oh, yes!